This is currently the most popular split cap filling and sealing machine. Solid liquid split caps are functional bottle caps designed. Two separate solid contents, such as powders, granules, and pharmaceuticals from liquids. During use, the two are mixed by pressing or rotating. Examples include Thai Fresh, Dose, Nutrilite PHA, ETO Dose, Go, Pepsi Drinkfinity, and Capable Lifetop, etc. Our filling and sealing machine can automatically fill and seal any type of split cap. Please contact us for more details.